Hello mga Shy! It's Megan Juna Shy Bisaya! At ngayon nga pala mga Shy is May 10. Late upload lang ito mga Shy kasi medyo busy si Juna Shy Bisaya. So ngayon nga pala mga Shy is nurses week namin mga Shy. So kailangan namin pumunta lahat ng mga taga-derma doon sa Estiraha mga Shy. So ayan mga Shy, magpapakilay muna tayo mga Shy para maging tao naman tayo mga Shy sa time na yan mga Shy. So late upload nga pala ito mga Shy. At shoutout nga pala kay Ma'am Manilin. Thank you at naging tao ako dyan. At ayan na nga mga Shy, natapos na isang kilay mga Shy. Get, ow! Marimar na pala yan. Basta may ano lang kulay-kulay. Pero dito sa taas may iba naman ng wrong turn. Na wrong turn dito sa taas kunti. My God. Ha?
Natatawa sa atin tulad dito. Nakala mo yun. Lahat tayo ng prinsip yan.
Oo, di ba?
Okay na lang.
Okay daw kahit hindi niya nakita. Ikaw talaga rin. Ala, nag-text na si Ma'am Joy. Thank you, Ma'am. Okay na lang, Rios.
Okay na lang.
Nag-text na si Juna, papunta na. Hello, Ma'am Joy. Okay. At syempre, lipsticks muna tayo. Konti mga Shy. At sobrang init yan mga Shy. So, kailangan natin ng tadang! Mag-sunglass tayo. Char! Yan na si Ma'am Joy. Okay. Lang. Oo, ito na.
Kita ko.
Yes! Uy, nagbalibol. Oh, may bola. Ito na. The heart of... Iya pa, ano niya? Thank you, ya.
Ano? Ito na si Baby.
Hello. Mary, huwag mong kalimutan ang pangalan natin.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ang raffle draw.
Mary, na-imagine ko ba?
Ang alin?
Ay, si Jonah, bawal na magsalita. Nandun na si Jonah.
Uy, na-practice sila.
Ano ba yung sabi? Parang nagpili ko ba first stanza sa second stanza? Kasi yung first parang mas maganda naman. Yung first gaya sa second stanza.
Ay, may kwarto din pala. Woo! Kasi makaano sa Estiraha. Bago pa lang din ako, ma'am.
Ano ba lang?
10 months.
3 months?
10.
Aten.
First time ko dito. Ano ang name mo, ma'am?
Joy ko.
Ay, ma'am. Ace.
Tapos marami siyang kwarto.
Mag-tour muna ako dito. Meron din kitchen. Laki ng kitchen. May kitchen. Meron ding ref. May lutuan din. Laki siya. Dito meron pool. Dito yung pagkain. Wala pa. Wala pa pagkain. Pero may pool. Meron din pala dito. Ha? B. Meron pa pala dun sa labas.
Oh, sige, sige, basta ikay na. Third stanza ulit. Let us found ourselves an answer. We are a nurse, and yet not only a nurse. We are really so proud to be one.
Ang laki.
This will allow us to gain more experience as a nurse. This will allow learn more lessons as a person. This will allow us to have a lesson that brings full importance and an opportunity to be born. You have to believe. Nakataas naman yan eh. Nakataas yan. Sige na, tingnan nyo, tataas ko. Oh, naupo ako dito. Nakupo, isa ko muna. Kasi, kung maaari, pinapabasa natin sa kanila, dinilalang kodi ko lang natin ito. Oh! Nandito na to, oh! Kaya...
Welcome the arrival of Madam. Wow! Madam na Madam.
We are tapos, lalong pagdamuday, kailangan may pagdamuday, hindi mo, hintay mo. Ayaw, kung kaya ba yun? Ano yan? Ang dumi! Ayun, kailangan ko anak ko eh. Ano yan? Dapat niya, katabi-tabi ko. Hindi, nakuha niya niya.
At ayun na nga mga shy, ang iba nakapag-practice na, ang Team A, Team B at Team C, at yung iba nandito na mga shy, mag-start na kami maya-maya mga shy.
Welcome kids, you just stay first on the side, but before we start properly the program, we would like to call on nurses and the team of each clinic so we can know you and we know your face. Okay, because actually this is our first ever team building of Derma Clinic group. That's why I'm sure we don't know each other yet. Okay, so first we would like to call on Night Clinic team.
Night Clinic!
Please come in front. Please come in front.
Because they don't know you.
Yeah, we don't know your
They don't
faces.
know you.
Sorry.
This one, I don't know her.
Dito na lang mula nga.
Who will
You stay there. Okay, guys. You stay.
Control, please.
Yes. Don't be shy, guys. We're Derma Clinic, so we don't have to be, go. Okay, so guys, these are our team from Light Clinic. Okay. Okay, may I know, we will ask their name one by one. Okay, just remember, this is very quick.
Mary Reyes.
Aldelvina Rivas.
Mupina.
Babes, bago lang yung si Babes.
Sabi Grace.
Okay, so guys, this is our Light Clinic.
Next, we'll call on the Derma Hair team.
Derma Hair
Yeah.
team, please come forward.
Derma Hair, please come forward towards the Gumira. Ay, wow!
Wow, Derma team. Come on, guys. Derma Hair.
Yes, please. They don't know you guys, so you have to say your name. Aileen, from Derma Hair also.
My name is JC.
Mandy. Trixie.
Shaban.
Okay, come on!
Lisa.
Aida.
This one.
Miss Mona. Round of applause, guys, for our hair staff. Derma Clinic hair staff.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much, guys.
Okay, so next we'll go to, we'll divide.
Mostly senior nurses this one.
Yeah, okay. So please, state your name.
Her name because we have a lot of new nurses.
Sa atin man na siguro kasi marami man. Carol. Yung pangalan. Lotus. Leslie. Luna Blue.
Cheryl.
Arlene.
Please speak clearly po.
Shali. Arlon.
Jyoti. Okay, so these are our Derma Clinic laser nurses.
Derma main.
Okay, so now we'll go on Derma Clinic
Nurses.
Nurses Dermatology Department. Come on, guys.
Derma main.
Okay, come on.
Derma. Sila pinakamarami guys.
Takasusi branch and main branch. Please come forward.
Okay, let's start there.
Okay, we'll start from here. Here, okay. Let's start from your name.
My name? Diego.
Jonah.
Christine.
Jean. Dora. Lini.
Ay, pati niyo pinoo.
Shaira.
Morena.
Okay,
Team A, please. Okay, let's call on Ma'am Gwen for Team A. Team A, white team.
At ayan na nga mga shy, nagbunutan na ang Team A, Team B, Team C kung sino mauuna. Abangan sa part 2. Thank you for watching!